Good morning, Cindy Birkland here with cindybirkland.com. And it's time to get naked about our money, naked about questions that we have. What does it mean to get naked when it comes to the naked truth about money? It's about getting real, open, and raw about our money and our situation. And now this week, I want to do a deep dive really when it comes to life insurance. And today I want to start about, the basic questions when it comes to life insurance. But this week, I want to cover all different types of life insurance. So, just in case you had questions or didn't know that there's so many types of life insurance, I'm here to tell you that they are, and they all meet a different need. And maybe that's something that you need to be marinating about is like, what is my need when it comes to life insurance? So, the first question you need to be asking is, okay, how much life insurance do I have? And for some, maybe you have a lot, and some maybe you don't have any at all. And it's really important that we understand how much life insurance that we need. So let's start with that. So the rule of thumb with life insurance is you need 8 to 10 times your annual income. So if you're someone that makes 100 grand a year, you're going to need 800,000 to $1 million worth of life insurance. And before you get freaked out about how much that's going to cost, believe it or not, some types of life insurance are very, very inexpensive, and they serve a great need as far as the amount of coverage that you have. So just remember, whatever your income is, you're going to need 8 to 10 times that amount. And why is that? Well, if we cover the next question, how much does a funeral cost? Which I know this sounds morbid, guys, but again, we're not getting out of here alive. It's really important that we really look at these things. A funeral can cost anywhere in this day and age from 15 grand to $50,000, depending on how elaborate you want. 15,000 is bare bones minimum. There's no casket. There's just maybe cremation, and you get your little jar and we're good to go. Funerals are very expensive. And, how many times do we see people on the side of the road raising money or doing a GoFundMe? Someone died and they need money to get somebody in the ground. It's horrible. Imagine losing a loved one or leaving your loved ones to have to do something like this, to create a GoFundMe for something. So basically, think of what a funeral costs. And so we'll start there. So why 8 to 10 times your income? First and foremost, if you pass away, your heirs and your beneficiaries are going to be having to bury you. And imagine $35,000 for that. Let's say you have 2 kids in high school. There's 2 college educations to pay for. That can look like $80,000 to $100,000 per kid. So let's call it $180,000. Then you've got to, if you're always relying on your spouse for their income, and now you've lost an income, is it important that you pay off your house? Let's say you have $300,000 left on your house, and now there needs to be living expenses for the rest of your kid's life and your spouse's life. There's so many things we know that cost money. And do you really want to leave your children and your spouse with nothing? And it's really important. The smallest of any amount is better than none. So we're going to talk about this week. What kind of insurance plans should you have for you and your family? So if this conversation interests you, get a hold of me, cindybirkland.com. Cindy Birkland here. Just wanted to say thank you for watching the channel. And if you want more content, just need you to click right here. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, clicking right here. If any of these conversations have interested you, please get a hold of us at cindybirkland.com, or you can reach me at cindybirkland@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching.